What's up, tech tuner, Hackintosh, PC gamer, PC builders, or just PC lovers or tech lovers? Back with another video. Happy Valentine's to all of you guys, to your loved one. Hope you guys had a great day or you'll have a great night. And yeah, my Valentine's I'm spending with my new hardwares. You know what I mean. Nerd life. All right. So first thing first, guys, I just want to share with you guys that I got rid of my Z170 build, the one with the i7-6700K. I had to give the build to one of my buddy because he wanted that build. So I was like, every time I build like a PC that runs really smooth, and one of my friend, they will just come to me and say, oh, I want the system, it's running so good, just give me your motherboard, give me your CPU, blah blah blah. And they know that if they go to a store, they will have to pay a little bit more, and my personal little use, I cannot charge them arm and a leg. So they always they take my bills away from me. So whatever, enjoy. Okay, so let me show you guys my main rig, my PC right now. I don't have one. Sad. Right. As you guys can see right now, I have an X99 motherboard there, but as you guys remember, I had a Z170 build. Okay, now I got rid of the motherboard, I got rid of the CPU, I got everything else. Basically, my buddy, he was upgrading from like a center bridge, so he bought some RAM and he's using his Hyper 212 cooler. So he basically wanted my motherboard and CPU. So that's about it, so like, what, you could have it, just pay me for what I paid. So he basically, gave me whatever he felt like. So all right, guys, so as you guys can see right here, so first thing I was like, what, I should go for X99 for my main rig. As you guys remember, I even picked up a processor i7-5820K, but then I had change of mind, and my devil just kicked in and said, no, we don't want an X99 because we are tired of X99. Okay, we had 12 core, we have 14 core, we have 10 core, we had 8 core, we had 6 core, and I don't know, we are done with X99. Actually, we're not done with X99, just a little tired with X99. Maybe I want something different. Maybe I want a new life. Maybe I want a better life. Maybe I want more subscribers. Maybe, I don't know. So I was really lost, guys. So I went to Micro Center. I was like, what? Forget about this X99. I don't care about this X99. I'm gonna get myself i7-7700K. Love it or hate. You can overclock this thing to 5 gigahertz. I really didn't want this CPU. Trust me when I tell you guys. But the moment I looked at it, I was like, what? I need 5 gigahertz in my life. So now I have the i7-5820K. I have the i7-7700K. And I did pick up a motherboard, as you guys can see right here. Alright, so let me show you guys real quick. So I did pick up a Asus Prime Z270 AR. Okay, you can control your RGB using a port right there, and it's really great looking motherboard. Basically, I had the same motherboard Z170-A and the same looking motherboard. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe, I don't know, because I do a lot of rendering and stuff, and I also, do a lot of gaming, and my main focus on like the gaming benchmarks and stuff. So that's the reason I was kinda looking to get a i7-7700K anyway, because I know most of you out there, you guys want to see all the latest game and latest benchmark with all the latest hardware. So I remember I told you guys I even got a GTX 1070 I don't want it to get a GTX 1080, guys. I don't want to spend all that money on a GTX 1080 for no reason. And I tell you why, okay? 1070, more than enough for 1440p, 1080p, 2560 by 1080 ultra wide monitor that I have. Oops, I forgot, because some of you are asking me to review my monitor. See, I've been confused, I've been lost, okay? And I don't know what I'm doing. So now I'm not gonna build another X99 because I had so many X99. Okay, I had a i7 5820K build, I had an i7 6800K build, I had a E526 58 build, E526 50 build, E526 67 build, E526 83 2683 14 core build. I had all most of the E5 builds, like, you know. Now I care about the higher clock speed and the rendering thing, right? So I have a server, HP DL360, I believe, with the 2 Xeon X5650 processor. I'll make another video on that exact server. And so I'm gonna use that server for rendering and stuff, maybe video rendering or streaming server. And this one will be strictly our main test bench plus gaming rig, and that will be our main you know, rig for the channel. So guys, let me know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see a build video, because I still didn't get the cooler from okay, so my Corsair H105 cooler died on me, so I had to send that cooler to Corsair, because, you know, they give 5-year warranty. So the cooler still didn't come, so I'm still waiting for. So after the cooler come, then I'm gonna build that. So let me know what you guys think. You know, should I stick with X99 or just build a new Z270 build? I don't know. I got both of the parts laying around right here. I'm just lost. So let me know, leave a comment below, and that should be it. Peace.